the fourth part of second degree equations. Today I am discussing problems in page number 86, fifth question. Look at the question. An isosceles triangle has to be made like this. You are given the figure. Height should be 2 meters less than the base and the area of the triangle should be 12 square meter. What should be the length of sides? We are not given height, we are not given base, but the condition given here is height should be 2 meters less than base. So I am going to take height to be equal to x. Then we can write base is equal to x plus 2. Base is 2 more than height. Now we know formula to find area of a triangle to be equal to half BH. Half BH is given to be equal to 12. In the next step we can write BH is equal to, take this 2 to the other side, you get 12 into 2 which is equal to 24. Now let us substitute B and H in the formula. Base is x plus 2, height is x is equal to 24. Now let us expand. X into x gives you x square plus 2x is equal to 24. Now we are using the method of completing squares to get the answer for x. Square plus 2x is not a perfect square. So what we do? We take the half of 2. It is 1. Now 1 square is added to both sides. So we get x square plus 2x plus 1 square is equal to 24 plus 1 square. Now this is the expansion of x plus 1 the whole square. This is equal to 25. 25 is nothing but 5 square. Now we have square terms on both sides. So let us take the square root. By taking square root on both sides, we get x plus 1 to be equal to 5, or otherwise x is equal to 5 minus 1 which gives you 4. So we can say height is equal to 4 meter and base is equal to 4 plus 2, 6 meters. Look at the sixth question. A 2.6 meter long rod leans against a wall, its foot 1 meter from the wall. When the foot is moved a little away from the wall, its upper end slides the same length down. How much farther is the foot moved? You are given a rod which leans against a wall and the length of the rod is 2.6 meter. Also you are given its foot 1 meter from the wall. So the distance of this rod from the wall is given to be equal to 1 meter. Using this 2.6 and 1, we can find out the distance of the rod from the ground. So we can find this distance using Pythagoras theorem. We know in all right-angled triangles, altitude can be found out by using altitude is equal to root of hypotenuse square minus base square. So here you get hypotenuse is 2.6. So we get 2.6 the whole square minus base is 1. So we get 1 square. This is equal to root of 2.6 square is 6.76 minus 1. If you subtract 1 from 6.76, you get root of 5.76, which is nothing but 2.4 meter. So we got height to be equal to 2.4 meter. Is it clear? 2.6, 1, and now this height is equal to 2.4 meter. Come to the second part of the question. when the foot is moved a little away from the wall. I will draw another figure. When you move this foot, what will happen? It will slide down. So you get a figure like this. Let us take the foot is moved by x meter. Okay. When you move it by x meter, here it slides down by the same x meter. Do you understand? So our triangle looks like this. So this is our new triangle. You have the base to be equal to, the base will be equal to 1 plus x. 1 plus x meter becomes the base. Length of the rod never changes. It is equal to 2.6 meter. And now this height will be equal to, we know the height is 2.4. Since it slides down by x, we get 2.4 minus x. And this is a right angle triangle. Did you understand? I wrote the three measures in a new triangle. Now here again we can use Pythagoras theorem to get the value of x. So we can write hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus altitude square. So we get 1 plus 6 the whole square, that is base square, plus this is the height, 2.4 minus 6 the whole square is equal to hypotenuse square, that is 2.6 the whole square. Is it clear? Now let us expand a plus b whole square. We know a plus b whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So when you expand 1 plus x whole square, you get 1 square, which is 1 plus 2 times 1 into x gives you 2x plus x square, plus this is of the form a minus b whole square. So when you expand 2.4 the whole square gives you 5.76 minus 2ab, that gives you 4.8x plus x square is equal to 2.6 whole square, which is nothing but 6.76. X square plus x square gives you 2x square. Now 2x minus 4.8x gives you minus 2.8x. 1 plus 5.76 gives you 6.76. This is equal to 6.76. Now what you can do, 6.76 is on both sides. So in the next step, 2x square minus 2.8x is equal to 0. By taking 6.76 to the other side, you get 6.76 minus 6.76, which gives you 0. Do you understand? Now, these two numbers have 2x as the common factor. So let us take 2x outside. Then what will you get? You will get x minus 1.4 equal to 0. Therefore, we can say either 2x is equal to 0 or x minus 1.4 is equal to 0. From this, we get x is equal to 1.4 meter. X is equal to 1.4 meter is the distance by which this rod is moved. This exercise is over, children. More questions we will be discussing in our next class. Thank you.